It's gonna be 20 on will you press the button, but if I get one wrong, I like what the majority of people didn't vote for, then I have to do one of these four things. The lifeline is just like a drink of water from my giant water bottle over there. Well, I have a scorpion. That's what it is. Scorpion pepper extract, and I have a ghost pepper one, and then I have someone that says extreme red hot sauce. So I'll have to do one of those if I get it wrong. What was your favorite character for an entire week? For half of that week, you will have to. Okay, no. Alrighty, alrighty. Guess so. Maybe it's not gonna be any. So you're gonna. If I get it wrong, then I get it wrong. That's what it is. Scorpion. Hey, interesting. I don't know. But I got the scorpion one. It has like a little drop bottle thing, like a little drop thing. There's like a couple drops of that. Pretty bad. If I absolutely need to get a drink of water, then I guess a little bit. You're a musical prodigy who performs all over the world. I need to practice. You're only allowed to eat plain white bread because everything else is out of sure. Please be a life. I can't handle other hot sauce. Thank goodness. Maybe jumping around chili water. Oh, thank goodness. Actually, I'm taking the lifeline off. It's if I get one right, then I choose the lifeline. You gain possession of any fictional weapons that's totally government find out and they will want it. Yes. Thank goodness I got one right. My lifeline. Thank goodness. This video might be like 5 minutes long, so I don't know how many of these I can take. It's pretty bad. I don't know how many Scovilles it has. It doesn't even say. Or what ingredients are in it. I'm guessing it's scorpion peppers, though. The extreme one says it's 10,000 Scoville units, which isn't too bad, I don't think. You'll become intellectually above everybody and become enlightened with the world and life you were given. You can only express it on the internet. Okay, no. Good. I got confused for a second, my goodness. Can't handle these hot sauces. Michael Jackson comes back to life with the weekend dies. I don't really like either of those guys, but I guess. Crap. I like either of those guys. Whatever. It's another sauce. Ghost pepper. It's on those little drop things too, like the extreme one, just, I don't know, maybe take a swig of it or something. I'm not gonna do as much this time as I did with the scorpion, because the scorpion was pretty bad. That didn't even burn my mouth, it just hurts my tongue. Alright then. Become a trillionaire. Half of your trillion invest in whatever political agenda you hate. Sure, why not? Thank you. I need my stupid lifeline. Hmm. Be able to read people's minds, only the thoughts that they hate that have about you. Yes. Thank you. This is getting, I don't know why it's so spicy, man. I'm usually good at spicy things. These things are intense. I've done the one chip challenge before I recorded it. I didn't even get the video. I'm gonna post it on YouTube, but You aren't afraid of spiders anymore. I'm not afraid of spiders as it is. They'll, they're attracted to you and you can always climb up. No. No. Who was saying yes to that? Thank goodness. Okay, starting to calm down a little bit. And change your appearance completely as often as you'd like. All people you knew completely forget about you if you changed. No. Thank goodness. It was closer than I thought it would be there. You can have a solo on Broadway. You have a bad cold. No, I don't even want to be on Broadway. Please. Why is it doing this? Now I gotta wait for the answer. Please be right. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. You can read mind, you will lose your sight. No. Thank you. My tongue's hurting, but it's getting better. Find true love, you'll have to be dirt poor. Yeah, I'd do it. 50-50, I'm counting it. I can't do any more sauces. You have any computer, build any computer you wish free of charge. You aren't allowed to control the software it runs and what it does, nor you. No, no. Thank you. Hey, now we're on a streak. Our winning streak better continue. I'm gonna choose the ones that I would choose. I'm not even choosing like the majority of people go for. Be best friends, your favorite celebrity, never have any other friends. No. Thank goodness. You have the power to control almost everyone in the world and make them your slave. No. One person will be immune and will overthrow you and kill you. No, why would you ever want that? 40% of people, who are these 40%? Because they're messed up. You'll never die, everyone will know your secrets. No, I think I wouldn't want to live forever. I wouldn't want to live forever. It'd get kind of lonely after a while. Come on, please. Stop me. I got it right. I can't take the suspense. I said I will not. Thank goodness. This is why you want to read this. There are no positive or negative effects from pressing this button, but you'll want, you want to. I mean, you can't. Okay, I'm not reading all this. I'll press it. Pushing a big red button is what I always do. Thank you. You can cure cancer, but you die of lung cancer before you receive the treatment. You know what? Yeah, I'll save the people because, yeah, somebody I knew died of cancer a while back. So, yeah, I'd do it. Come on, let me save the people. Come on, man. I'm gonna have to cut this part out, but I will show you the answer. All right, now I'm back. I will not. I meant to push I will. I meant to push I will. You guys tell me to push I will. I said I was gonna push I will. Okay, maybe I got it right because I did say I was gonna push I will. I just got confused. Absolutely all of your vital information in available in a simple place. You can use. He watches everything you do. No. I already watched everything I do anyways. Dang it, I didn't mean to press. I didn't even have an answer ready yet, so I'm not even gonna count that. The government watches everything you do and your data will fall in the wrong. Okay, yeah. I would have pressed no anyways. You can kill or bring back to life anyone you want. Every time you kill or bring back someone, you'll lose 10 months and you lose from 10 months to a year of your life. I would do it, but I would only bring back like one person or two people. Thank goodness. We're on a streak. You can push this button, you cure disease of your own choice, cancer. Okay, you die. I'll do it. That was close. You always get perfect handshakes, high five, etc. You drop food on yourself every time you try and eat without a plate or a bowl. No, which don't look stupid. I don't care if I give him the perfect high five or handshake. You can automatically change any physical aspect of yourself at any time. You can only learn third grade level. Okay, what do you learn in third grade? Because I don't really think that you need most of the stuff you learn in school, anyways. So sure. Dang it. To the wheel again. Scorpion again. My favorite. Ugh. Hopefully we're on another streak so we can get one lifeline. Oh, he didn't come out. There we go. My tongue's hurting again. It's not even spicy, it just hurts my tongue. Ouch. You can dance better than anybody else in the world, only to Justin Bieber. No. No. Thank you. No, my wife. My tongue hurts. I don't even know what's gonna help. So my tongue just hurts. It's not even on fire. My goodness, help. Save your best friend's life. You kill five random strangers in your area. Yeah, sure. If they're random strangers, I guess. Thank you. You survived the zombie apocalypse. You're the only survivor. No. Thank goodness. Can't do any more of these songs. All right, we're like 12 minutes. Let's. Uh, you and any three chosen people can live forever. You can manipulate, okay, and you can die if you choose to do so. You live through the deaths of everyone else as time goes on. Three people. Who would I choose? I think I know who I would choose. There we go. So spicy. You'll be perfect physical shape for the rest of your life without having to exercise to get healthy. All food you eat for the rest of your life now tastes horrible. It's kind of like a Tokyo Ghoul thing, if I remember that show right. Like you can't eat actual food because it tastes nasty. I guess. Come on, man. Please. Scorpion. I'd rather have the ghost pepper. The ghost pepper at least is a little bit better. Ugh. Oh, nice thing full of this. Yeah, I hate it. Reincarnated in the Marvel Universe. As soon as a villain so purpose to destroy the universe. No. I'm counting. I'm taking a drink. Holy cow. Well, it's not even a 50-50. It says 50-50, but technically no is what more people chose. Speak every language, you're illiterate in every written language. So I just wouldn't be able to write? Sure. Uh, Give me the extreme one. I haven't tried that one yet. Please, fine. I feel like it can't be as bad as these two. These two are like little drop bottles thingies. Uh, I don't like it. Please get this thing right. Because I in a lottery, you cannot buy anything over $1,000. No. Uh, why? Extreme, extreme, please. This one was coming in a little bottle, so it might be pretty bad. Uh, uh, that would be worse. Anything you think will come to life in your dreams. In the end, so I can't read out loud anymore. So this applies to negative things you think. No, thank you. All right. This will be the last one. Everyone in the world in the future gets proper justice. You have to go to prison and not, no. Yeah, sure. Well, I guess we're gonna off on a spicy one. Uh, the ghost pepper one smell like yeast. Uh, uh, uh. Alright, that'll be all crazy. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys are gonna like, subscribe, like, comment down below, if you like playing Hardy, all of them. Join the Discord below in the description below. If you want to see more videos like this, then go on and let me know. Love you guys. Goodbye.